what's going on? What's going on? I am Trans Gamer Live, and of course, you are watching Proudly Driven. This is the 2026 Coleman 13S. This is a short trailer. A short trailer, and whenever I'm talking about short, I'm talking about short. You got the Leopard. It's ready for the Leopard ladder that comes all the way down. You got your shore power plug-in. You have a hot water heater. You got solar on the side. They give you a little bit of solar. Dometic does. You got your freshwater connection, your city water connection. Let's look at the thing. You got unloaded vehicle weight of only 2,800 pounds, really. It's 2,860. Your GVWR is 4,000. It only has one axle, guys. I mean, it is nice. For a small trailer, it is nice. We're at the Camping World event. Oh man. Got you a awning here on the front. Coleman by Keystone. I'm gonna try to get up here and review this. Okay.
Turn that light on for you, sir.
First of all, I thought I didn't know whether this thing's gonna hold me or not because of me being like overweight, and the it only has like one axle. That is nice.
Very lightweight.
Very lightweight, yes. Thank you, sir. Okay, so you got the you got your fridge right there. You got nice drawers right here, and they don't have the stabilization on the bottom, but I mean they're short drawers, really. Okay, here's a problem that honestly, it's a good problem. On every other RV at this price range, you have propane. But this one, you got electric, and it's great. You got a Greystone microwave with a Vent-A-Hood underneath. You got a short little sink with a little B area to eat. Now, honestly, this is going to surprise me. Yep. Guys, I can't fit. I can't fit. I cannot fit. Look. I can't fit. I can't fit. Oh, that is awesome. I thought it was going to be that way, but then, yes, it is a full shower in here. It is a full shower. Toilet. It's a wet bath. I'm not too keen on the wall situation, but I mean, it is what it is. Hopefully it doesn't delaminize. Then you've got your oh yeah, you got plenty of storage in here for something that you got your window unit right there. I mean, got you some more storage there. But yeah, I mean, you've got plenty of room. There's that. Let's look in the Everchill. That's just regular fridge. But, I mean, this right here is not made to be lived in 24/7. Let's turn that off. But yeah, come over here to the camping world in spring and see this camper. It's the Coleman by Keystone 13S. All right. Much love to each and every one of y'all. Woohoo! An heirloom. This is a Forest River Airelume. It's a 2026 Heirloom 172. Dry weight is 3629. It is 21.7 from tip to tip. Let's go around it. You do have pass-through storage. You got one propane tank. I guess it's a good thing. Got the pass-through storage over here. This is simple. Simple, elegant. Kind of puts you into the 1980s type feel with this. You have one slide out. The jacks are down, so we were able to go everywhere. We just did the 13S over here, but it does have a an awning. Pretty nice little awning. Guys, we are at Camping World, Spring, Texas. Come give these guys a run for their money. All right. You got the front bed. The bed, it's all right. It's all right. It's not the best bed, but it's there. It's there. It's definitely something that you can lay in. Then you have this dining area over here. You know how much I hate the dining areas. Then you have your coffee nook over here, along with a Furrion microwave. It's even got it marked coffee. Coffee. You got your ice box. Then you got your freezer. And I like how they have the super freeze. You can freeze fish 1 to 2 months, chicken or bird 4 to 6 months, and then steak or meat or beef or pork for 6 to 12 months. I like how that's done. Then you have cabinets. Awesome. And these fall. These don't have like super latches. This is made by Forest River. Okay, so you do have propane and you do have a propane burner. You do have a hot water heater in here. I'm not for sure whether it's on demand or not. You got massive storage here, guys. Massive. Massive. Same way here. Massive storage. It is a on demand. So you got your on demand here. Got a Thedford. It's nice. It's plastic, but it's nice. Guys, I mean, literally, it's okay. It's okay. Like, if you are falling asleep, you can lean up against the wall and go back to sleep while pooping. Just saying. The leg is on the wall. This leg's not on anything. I mean, it's right there. It's tight in here with me. I mean, say what you want. It could be fat guy or fat person approved. Got you a little bee sink. No medicine cabinet. Little bee stink. Given the shocks of world. In the bathtub. Bath shower. I'm touching the top. Honestly. I'm touching the top, standing straight up. I'm 6'3", and the shower is not that person approved, or tall person approved at that. You do have storage up underneath on this heirloom. I mean, the heirloom as a whole is really good. I just made that shock and everything work. But yeah, guys, come out to this and see this RV. Try it for yourself. All right, so I'll give my 3 likes, 3 dislikes whenever I do the video, and I'll see you down the road.